Hey guys, how's it going? Bob's Concept here, and here's a bonus video on how I retouch my images using frequency separation technique in Retouch Academy on Photoshop. Step 1, you use clone stamp tool to take out the blemishes. So once you're done, then you can run the frequency separation action in Retouch Academy. So once you've taken out the blemishes, you go and set your high pass on 3.5, set your Gaussian blur on 0.7, and then you take your mixer brush and begin to refine all your edges. By the way, shout out to Sesmo. Sesmo is my guy, my G. He shot this beautiful image. I was his light assistant, by the way. That's what bros do for bro. Alright, yeah, he shot this beautiful image. You can check him out on Instagram, Sesmo. Yeah, very awesome guy. So yeah, your mixer brush is what you use after setting your high pass and Gaussian blur. And once you do that, you're good to go. You begin to brush out all the contours on your image face. Once you brush up all the areas and you feel comfortable, then you're good to go. Once you're comfortable with that, fantastic, you're good to go. Be careful not to over retouch. Sometimes when your images are looking overly retouched, then they become fake. Yeah, they become too fake. One of the things I like to do also is adjust the lighting and the color in the eyes of my subject. What it does is it brings those images alive. It makes them look alive, especially when you whiten them up. And so what I do is run the white eyes and teeth action and then bring it down to like 40% or so, and I'm good to go. Then for the color grade, I run any action I want. I have a couple of actions, and once I do that, we're good to go. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Juice up. See you later.